Home security cameras 101, wireless home security cameras. Home security cameras are essential components of a comprehensive home security system, providing surveillance and peace of mind for homeowners. When choosing home security cameras, consider the following factors. 1. Indoor versus outdoor cameras. Determine whether you need cameras for indoor monitoring, outdoor surveillance, or both. Outdoor cameras should be weatherproof and designed to withstand harsh conditions, while indoor cameras may have more compact designs and features like two-way audio for communication. 2. Resolution. Higher resolution cameras produce clearer images and better detail. Look for cameras with at least 1080p resolution for optimal clarity. Higher resolution is particularly important for identifying details such as facial features or license plate numbers. 3. Night vision. Choose cameras equipped with infrared, IR, LEDs for night vision capability, allowing them to capture footage in low light or complete darkness. Consider the range and clarity of night vision when selecting cameras for nighttime surveillance. 4. Motion detection. Cameras with motion detection sensors can trigger recordings or alerts when motion is detected, helping to alert you to potential intruders or suspicious activity. Look for customizable motion detection settings to reduce false alarms caused by motion from pets or other non-threatening sources. 5. Field of view. Consider the field of view, FOV, offered by the camera, which determines the area it can cover. Wide-angle lenses provide a broader view, while cameras with narrower FOVs may offer more detail over a smaller area. 6. Two-way audio. Some cameras feature built-in microphones and speakers, enabling two-way audio communication between homeowners and anyone near the camera. Two-way audio can be useful for remotely communicating with visitors or deterring intruders. 7. Storage options. Choose between cameras with local storage options, such as SD cards, or cloud storage for recording and accessing footage. Cloud storage offers remote access to recorded footage and eliminates the risk of footage being lost or stolen if the camera is damaged. 8. Remote viewing. Ensure the cameras offer remote viewing capabilities, allowing you to monitor live or recorded footage from anywhere with an internet connection via smartphone apps or web portals. Look for cameras compatible with iOS, Android, or web-based platforms for convenient access. 9. Integration with home security systems. If you have an existing home security system or plan to install one, ensure that the cameras are compatible and can integrate seamlessly with the system. Integration with other security devices such as alarms or sensors can enhance the overall security of your home. 10. Budget. Determine your budget for home security cameras, considering both upfront costs and any ongoing expenses such as subscription fees for cloud storage. Balance cost considerations with the desired features and quality to ensure you get the best value for your investment. By considering these factors and conducting thorough research, you can choose home security cameras that meet your specific needs and provide reliable surveillance for your property.